I'm trading my way from $1,000 to $10,000 to buy my wife her two dream dogs. Today is day 17 and I took a slightly bigger trade. Not bigger in terms of risk, but the setup was a lot cleaner. I had been waiting for this one for 2 weeks, everything lined up with my rules, so I took it. And it worked. I made about $25, which still isn't a lot, but that's kind of the point. Because when you do this properly, it feels really slow in the beginning, but compounding is exponential. So if I keep doing this right, it's gonna feel boring and like nothing is happening, until suddenly everything starts adding up. The hardest part is just staying consistent long enough to actually get there. Because when this account hits $10,000, I get to surprise my wife with popcorn and butter. So for now, the Secret Puppy Fund is sitting at $1,137 out of $10,000. Do you think that small wins like this actually add up? Follow to see how long it takes.